Morning students, in this class I will be doing class 9 lines and angles exercise 6.3. I have completed one theorem. Previously one theorem I completed. One more theorem I will do. After doing that theorem I will do exercise 6.3. So the theorem is sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So these two theorem proofs are very important. So other theorems we are having only statement. So if you read the statement, that is enough. Only for these two theorems you are having proof. Okay. So the theorem is the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Is 180 degree. So this is the proof we are going to do now. Okay, for proving this, we'll take a triangle. We'll take a triangle ABC. ABC triangle. Okay, so sum of angles in a triangle, that is when you add angle A, angle B plus angle C to prove. To prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. As I told you in the previous one, for theorems, four things are very important. One is given. So the given is ABC is a triangle. That is the thing given. To prove what you are asked to prove, that is angle A plus B plus C is 180 degree. So given you have to write, after that to prove. So for proving this theorem, I am going to draw a line. So that part is construction part. So that I will write construction. So what I am going to construct? I am going to construct a line parallel to BC through the point A. So through the point A, I am going to draw a line parallel to BC. Okay. So that is the construction part. Draw a line L through the point A parallel to BC. This is the construction part. Then proof. Since this line and BC are parallel and I am taking AB as transversal, I will be getting alternate angles. So this is A point. So I will get transversal. Transversal I will get. What are the transversal? If you take L and BC as parallel lines and AB as transversal, I will get alternate interior angles. So these, since it is parallel, alternate interior angles are equal. So I am naming this angle as 1, this angle as 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay. So that we have to write. L parallel to BC and AB is transversal. And AB is transversal. So for this, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So what is the reason? They are alternate interior angles. So the same way on the other side also we will take. So the other side is this part. So L and BC are parallel lines and AC is transversal. So angle 3 and angle 4 are alternate interior angles. So that you have to write. So L parallel to BC and AC is transversal. AC is transversal. Okay. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Reason is alternate interior angles. So because of alternate interior angles, so this is the condition for parallel lines that you know already. So these are the things that we got from the parallel lines and transversal. But we know that angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. We know that angle 1 plus, here we will name it as 5. Angle 1 plus angle 5 plus angle 3. If you add it, we will get 180 degree. How? It is the angles in a straight line. So, angle 1 plus angle 5 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. That is angles in a straight line. Angles in a straight line. Since these angles are in a straight line, we can say that angle 1 plus angle 5 plus angle 3 is 180 degree. But previously we told that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So I am replacing this 1 by 2. So instead of 1, I am replacing it by 2. So 5 will be as it is, and instead of 3, I am replacing it by 4 is equal to 180 degree. So what is this angle 2, angle 5 and angle 4? Angle 2, angle 4 and angle 5 forms the angles in a triangle. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C forms 180 degree. That is the thing you are asked to prove. Okay, A, B, C. So if 2 is angle B, 2 is angle B, 5 is angle A, 4 is angle C. So if you add all these three angles, you will get 180 degree. Those angles forms interior angles of a triangle. So this is the proof for the sum. That is, the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Okay. Exercise 6.3, first sum. In the given figure, sides QP and RQ. QP and RQ, these two sides of triangle PQR are produced to the points S and T respectively. So this QP is produced to the point S and this RQ is produced to the point T. If SPR, this angle is 135 degree and angle PQT, and angle PQT is 110 degree, find angle PRQ. So you are asked to find angle PRQ. This angle you are asked to find. Okay, so many methods are there to do. One of that I will do. So here in this, angle SPR is 135 degree and this TQP is 110 degree. So if you add these two angles, this angle and this angle, if you add these two angles, that will form linear pair. That is, when you add these two angles, it will be 180 degree. We'll say that as linear pair. So TQP plus PQR will make 180 degree. So 180 minus 110 will be 70 degree here. So this angle, so if you take this angle, this is 70 degree we found. So this SPR is the exterior angle of the triangle PQR. This SPR is the exterior angle of the triangle PQR. So exterior, we know the property of one triangle. We have studied it in class 8 itself. So exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. Okay, so exterior angle. So this is 135 degree. When you add these two angles, you will get 135 degree. So one angle is 70 degree. Other angle, whatever angle you are adding in this, you have to get 135. So 135 minus 70, you will get this angle. That is 65 degree you will get. So that in the procedure, in a formal way, we have to write. Okay, so PQT, angle PQT plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree, linear pair. Okay, PQT plus PQR is 180 degree. PQT is given as 110 degree plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. So what is our PQR? Angle PQR is equal to 180 minus 110, that is equal to 70 degree. So this is our angle PQR. So angle PQR is 70 degree. Okay, then angle SPR is equal to angle PQR plus angle PRQ. exterior angle property of triangle. Exterior angle property of triangle. So exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. So this is the exterior angle of the triangle. These two forms the opposite interior angles. So SPR. SPR, it is given in the question that it is 135 degree. PQR, just now we found it as 70 degree. We are asked to find PRQ. So angle PRQ is that only you are asked to find. So PRQ is equal to 135 minus 70, that is equal to 65 degree. So this is the thing you are asked to find, PRQ. So PRQ is 65 degree. So this angle will make 65 degree. Okay. Second sum is, in the given figure, angle X is equal to 62 degree. Angle XYZ is 54 degree. That is the whole angle. If YO and ZO are the bisectors of angle XYZ and XZY respectively of triangle XYZ, find angle OZY. You are asked to find angle OZY and angle YOZ. So these two angles you are asked to find. So in the question it is given XYZ is a triangle and OY and OZ are the bisectors of angle Y and Z. Angle X is 62 degree, angle Y is 54 degree. You are asked to find OZY and YOZ. These two angles you are asked to find. Okay, so this one is 62 degree, this angle is 62 degree, angle Y is 54 degree. So using angle sum property, we can find angle Z. So angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. So X is given as 62 degree. Y is given as 54 degree and Z you have to find. So that is equal to 180 degree. So if you add this, you will get 116 degree. That is equal to 180. So angle Z is equal to 180 minus 116. So 180 minus 116 is 64 degree. Okay, so 180 minus 116 is 64 degree. That is, the whole angle Z is 64 degree. Angle Z is 64 degree. You are asked to find OZY. OZY. So, OZY is half of angle Z. It is given that OZ is the bisector of angle Z. So, angle OZY is equal to half of angle Z. So that is equal to half of 64. That is equal to 32 degree. So this angle we got, that is OZY is 32 degree. Okay, same way angle Y is given as 54 degree. Angle Y is given as 54 degree. So angle OYZ, angle OYZ is half of angle Y. So, half of 54 is 27 is equal to 27 degree. So, this angle we got as 32 degree. This 27 and this angle OYZ we got it as 27 degree. So, this angle alone we will find using angle sum property. So, using angle sum property we will find. That is angle OYZ plus angle YZO plus angle ZOY is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so OYZ just now we found it as 27 degree plus YOZ you are asked to find YOZ angle YOZ, this is YZO. YZO already we found. YZO already we found. Just it is interchange. This is angle Z only. So that is 32 degree. Plus ZOY is nothing but YOZ. YOZ. This only you are asked to find. Both are same only. ZOY and YOZ are same only. So this one is 59 degree plus angle YOZ is 180 degree. So angle YOZ is equal to 180 minus 59. So 180 minus 59 is 121. It is 121 degree. So this angle is 121 degree. YOZ is 121 degree. Okay. Third sum. In the given figure, if AB parallel to DE and BAC, angle BAC is 35 degree and CDE is 53 degree, find angle DCE. So you are asked to find this angle. This sum is very simple. Okay, so this is parallel line. So AE is transversal. AB parallel to DE. AB parallel to DE and AE is transversal. AE is transversal. Okay, so ABAE and AED are alternate interior angles. So this one also will be, these two will be alternate interior angles. So angle BAE is equal to angle AED, alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So BAE is given as 35 degree. So AED will also be 35 degree. So AED is 35 degree. AED. But we are asked to find angle DCE. So that is nothing but a triangle. Okay. So angle D plus angle E plus angle DCE. DCE will make a sum of 180 degree. That is sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. So angle D, in the question itself it is given that it is 53 degree. Angle E, just now we found AED as 35 degree. And DCE you are asked to find. That is all these will make 180 degree. So DCE is 180 minus DCE is 180 minus 88. So 180 minus 88 is 92 degree. So this is the angle they are asked us to find in the question. Angle DCE is 92 degree. Okay. Fourth sum is, in the given figure, if lines PQ and RS intersect at the point T, PQ and RS intersect at the point T such that angle PRT is 40 degree, angle RPT is 95 degree, angle TSQ is 75 degree, we are asked to find angle SQT. So we are asked to find angle SQT. Okay, so this is also simple only. That is, in two ways it can be done. That is, these two are vertically opposite angles. Okay, this angle and this angle is vertically opposite angle. Okay, then these two are intersecting lines at the point, intersect at the point 2. So we will find the sum of the angles using angle sum property. We will find this angle. This will be the vertically opposite angle. Then using angle sum property, we will find the angle of that. Okay. So angle P plus angle R plus angle PTR is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Okay. Angle P is given as 95 degree. Angle R is given as 40 degree. we will find angle PTR. So PTR is 180 degree. If you add all these things, so this will be PTR. So if you add this, it will be 135 degree. So 135 plus PTR is 180 degree. So PTR is 180 minus 135. So 180 minus 135 is 45 degree. 180 minus 135 is 45 degree. So this PTR, we got it as 45 degree. So these two angles, angle PTR and angle STQ. Angle STQ is equal to angle PTR. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So STQ, what is PTR value? Just now we got it as 45 degree. So STR is 45 degree. STR is this one also, vertically opposite angle, will get 45 degree. Okay, now in STQ, angle S plus angle Q plus angle STQ is 180 degree. Angle sum property. Angle sum property. Okay, so angle S is given as 75 degree. Angle Q you are asked to find, and angle STR is 45 degree. STR is 45 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle Q, so 75 plus Q plus STQ is 45 degree. If you add all these things, you will get 180 degree. So Q is angle Q plus 75 plus 45 is 120. 75 plus 45 is 120. 120 plus Q is 180 degree. So Q is 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. So actually Q is SQT. So angle SQT is 60 degree. This is how we have to find the value of this SQT, that is 60 degree. Fifth sum, in the given figure, if PQ perpendicular to PS, that is PQ and PS are perpendicular to each other, that is the angle is 90 degree. PQ parallel to SR. PQ parallel to SR. These two lines are parallel. Angle SQR is 28 degree and angle QRT is 65 degree. Then find the values of X and Y. So we are asked to find the values of X and Y. Okay, in the question it is given PQ and ST are parallel to each other. If you take this QR as transversal, this whole angle and this 65 degree forms alternate interior angles. That is, this angle and this angle will make that Z. So that will be alternate interior angles. So if you add this X plus 28, it should be equal to 65 degree. So X plus 28 is equal to 65. Reason is PQ parallel to ST and QR is transversal. PQ parallel to ST and QR is transversal. So X is equal to 65 minus 28, that is 37. So the X value is 37 degree. Okay, so X value is 37 degree. Now, since we find the X value, this is 90 degree, this X value is 37 degree, we can find this by using angle sum property. So, X plus Y plus angle P is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Angle sum property. So X and Y. X we got it as 37 degree. Y we will find now. Angle P is 90 degree. So Y plus 127 is equal to 180 degree. So Y is equal to 180 minus 127. So 180 minus 127 is 53 degree. So y value is 53. So y is 53 degree and x is 37 degree. Sixth sum. In the given figure, the side QR of triangle PQR. Side QR of triangle PQR is produced to a point S. So this QR is produced to the point S. If the bisectors of angle PQR and PRS meet at the point T. So if you take QT as the bisector of PQS, question given is the bisectors of PQR. So this is the bisector of PQR and PRS. So this is the angle PRS. So this RT is the bisector of angle PRS. Meet at the point T. So both these bisectors meet at the point T. Then prove that QTR, this angle QTR is equal to half of angle QPR. So this angle is equal to half of this angle QPR. These two angles connectivity you are asked to prove. Okay. So the question given is QT and PT are the bisectors of the angle PQR and PRS. Okay. So if you take PQR, this QT is the bisector. Angle PQR, for this triangle PQR, this PRS is the exterior angle. Okay, this PRS is the exterior angle. PRS is equal to angle PRS is equal to this angle. This is the exterior angle of the triangle PQR. So PRS is equal to angle PQR. If you add these two angles, this angle and this angle, if you add these two angles, you will get this angle. This is the exterior angle that is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. So PRS is equal to PQR plus QPR. If you add these two, you will get PRS. So when I have to get, somehow I have to get this answer. So for that, I am dividing the whole equation throughout by 1 by 2. Dividing by 2. I am dividing the whole thing or multiplying by 1 by 2. PQR plus half of angle QPR. Okay, so half of PRS. Half of PRS, I can write it as TRS. PRS, this is the full angle. In the question it is given TR is the bisector. So I can write this PRS. Half of PRS. Half of PRS is equal to TRS. So half of PRS is TRS. Angle TRS. Okay, is equal to PQR. So this PQR, I can write it as half of PQR. The full angle is equal to half of this angle. That is half of PQR is equal to, in the question it is given, this is the bisector. So these two angles will be equal. The measure of these two angles will be equal. So half of PQR is equal to TQR. Is equal to TQR plus half of angle QPR. QPR. That I am writing it as this. So this one is, you got PRS. You got TRS in terms of these two. This is first equation. You take this as the first equation. Now, you take this TRS. So this TRS is the exterior angle of this triangle. So if you take this triangle, this angle is the exterior angle of the sum of this exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. That is, this angle, if you take this angle, I will mark it in some other color. So this is this angle, this is the exterior angle of this triangle TQR. So it will be equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. Okay, so I can write this TRS as TQR angle TQR plus TQR plus angle QTR. So both the triangles have exterior angles. So I am using sum of opposite interior angles is equal to exterior angle property. For both the triangles I am writing. That's all. So one more time I will repeat. I am using exterior angle property. That is, exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So here one triangle is there, here one triangle is there. So for this triangle, this is the exterior angle. For this triangle, this is the exterior angle. So that I am equated with the opposite interior angles. So if I equate like that, I am getting two equations like this. So equating 1 and 2. So this is TRS, this one is also TRS. So I am equating RHS. So when I equate RHS, that is TQR plus half of angle QPR is equal to angle TQR plus angle QTR. Okay, so here TQR and TQR will get cancelled. So what is the thing given? You are asked to find QTR is equal to half of PQR. So QPR is equal to angle QTR. So this is the thing we are asked to find. In the question, it is given QTR, angle QTR is equal to half of QPR. So in this sum, I am using exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So two triangles are there. So for both the triangles, I am using that property. I am making it into two equations and finding the thing that we are asked to prove. So with this, I have completed exercise 6.3. So the full chapter of lines and angles for class 9 is completed. From my next class, I will be doing the remaining chapters. So if you have any doubt, please message me in the comment box. Practice all the sums as usual. Okay, thank you children.